They're coming. Holy crap, that is a massive machine. We are getting fertilizer put on our fields. Spreader guy here. Gonna spread in that big old bed. That's a huge machine. I just run a lap with him. That thing sits up so tall. Dang. What a monster. Currently April 14th, and we are putting fertilizer on both the hay fields. And I don't know what the pH and stuff is, but all I know is it's going to make the hayfield shoot up. And we're going to go on vacation in a few weeks. So when we come back, we'll spread manure and we'll have ourselves a mega hay fest this year. There he goes. Gotta feed the goofy goober back here. Eat up. You don't have a lot of time left, dude. Got no manure spread yet. It's been postponed till this fall because we're gonna put it on our hay fields. We were gonna put it on the pasture fields, but then we tried to rent a spreader. The spreader we were gonna rent got rented out for like the summer, I think. And we didn't end up buying a spreader. So yeah, so now we're just waiting on it to dry up because it is absolutely it's like sunny for 3 days and then rain for 4 days. And then it dries back up and then pours again. We're kind of stuck in that cycle. But the hay is tossing, so we should be mowing in like 2 weeks if it clears up. Just gotta get out of this rain spell. And yeah, the fertilizer really took off though. You can really see it from here, but all that out there is basically tousled. So, like a little bit ago, it was perfectly sunny, and now we're starting to get dark clouds again. Like, can't catch a break. So, while we have been waiting for the weather to clear up, I got a little project running. A little project being Big John's little brother, Lil John. Lil John is tiny, yet mighty, and it runs really good right now. I ran it out of gas. I got a gas jug in the bed of my truck, so I'll get it filled up with gas and do a cold start on Lil John, because it's been like since Sunday. It's Wednesday night, so he needs to be fired up. But anyways, I'll show you what Lil John looks like. Lil John resides in here. His big brother's out. I forgot to do a cold start on him, but Lil John resides in here with Frankenford. So this thing, this is Lil John, my John Deere 110 garden tractor. I ran out of gas the other day, but I got a new battery for it, new spark plugs, had to get a new fuel line, and yeah. And I have a deck for it, but I don't know if I want to put it on that because I like the way it is. It's gonna get chunky tires one day, but yeah, it runs really good. So we're gonna open this door up, and we Lil John right there, put the gas in it, get a cold start on it. Gas jug is right in the bed of the truck. So we will roll him out into the middle and get some gas in it. And then one of these days, this will all be cleaned up and we can work on stuff there. So let's get to it. Come on, Lil John. Out Into the middle of the room you go. Oh, you sucker. That sucker is heavy. Weird and snot. Fat little John. Lose some weight, dude. I was having with your big brother. I gotta pull him. Oh, it hurts my fingers. I want to put gas in right here. Stop rolling, John. Yeah. I would like to do that. Yeah, we'll put gas in him right here. And we'll see if he moves. Anyway, here's my big old gas jug. In the toolbox it goes. Ah, stupid tailgate. Ford tailgates. Boy, they're the greatest inventions in the world. I gotta two-hand this thing to get it off. First try, totally. Alright, let's carry that in there. Get a cold start in Little John. Take him for a joyride. We'll go from there. So, yeah. I noticed we got air in here now. Grandpa must have, yeah, he did. Wow. That's why this is here. Dang, son. Or was that like that? So maybe that's why the tire had air in it. I don't know. I generally don't know. Anyway, let's get some gas in this thing. It's gonna suck. Are any of these empty? Not really. He's got a tiny fuel tank, but getting this long thing in there is a different job on its own. So I'll come back once I got fuel in it. 10 minutes later, little John spilled all this fuel. He's not leaking. I spilled some on the floor. He shouldn't be leaking at least. Let me see. Yep, we got fuel. He should start. Full choke. Half throttle. Tell. We like green equipment. Man, that thing and that thing is cool. Sunset and Little John, Big John. Well, I guess that's it for Little John today. He did pretty good. There was no leaks. He is not leaking any fuel that I'm aware of. I mean, I don't see any leaks. He is basically straight pipe because he is loud. I would like to do like a full-blown straight pipe, like delete, elbow, and an exhaust right here. But he is a little hot. I can hear him. He sounds crispy. We need to do an oil change with him someday. That is loose for some reason. So, yeah. Anyways, we'll see you guys when we are cutting hay. Not spreading manure.